mermaids of Atlantis.
For centuries, sailors have spotted mermaids in the sea.
John Rizzo here, live again at the event, Boston Comedy Festival. We're here tonight with Mick.
Mick Cusimano.
Mick Cusimano and
Karen Ostromecki.
Sorry, and Mick, what did you do here tonight?
I showed the Save the Elephants movie that was on earlier tonight, and I'm working on a new movie about mermaids, and Karen's one of my mermaids. It's a work in progress, and we just shot it up in Plum Island and by Newburyport last weekend, one of those big waves coming by and stuff.
Awesome. What's the movie about now?
Mermaids get washed up on the beach. Well, we happen to be lucky because the cops are closing out the beach and they have big yellow ribbons and there are big waves and they're saying people stay away. So I'm doing a whole thing about how the beaches are shut down because mermaids have been discovered being washed on shore. So we find mermaids on shore, and there's 3 mermaids and Karen's one of them. And I don't know if I can give away the whole story, but we're working at it. Yeah.
Well, Karen, tell me about your role in the film as a mermaid.
Oh, it was a lot of fun. Myself and 2 other mermaids washed up on shore in the midst of Hurricane Bill, and out comes a bunch of beachgoers looking for answers to life's problems, and we had some great answers for them, but the mystery we'll withhold until you come and see our movie.
For centuries, sailors have spotted mermaids in the sea. Last summer, for the first time, mermaids were found washed up on dry land. In ancient times, Zeus ruled from Mount Olympus. Poseidon ruled the land of Atlantis. When Zeus abducted Poseidon's daughter, he was outraged when her father took her back. Zeus threw thunderbolts down on Atlantis, sinking it into the sea. Poseidon made the sea his domain and turned his daughters into mermaids. For centuries, sailors have spotted mermaids in the sea. According to Herodotus, Greeks were encouraged by a mermaid at the Battle of Salamis in 480 BC.
Columbus spotted mermaids, as did the pirates.
A mermaid was reported from the USS Miami near Okinawa in 1944.
On the shores, wherever you've been.
Logan Smith, man on the street for Channel 13. Several towns on Cape Cod, several beaches are reporting mermaid sightings.
So you won't believe what I'm just about to tell you. Yesterday I went kayaking here in Osterville, and we can see her fins, and she is giving us sensuous smile with sensuous lips and green eyes, and she's all calling us and beckoning at us and just kind of wiggling in the distance and doing her thing, and by the time we caught up with her again, she disappeared in the water. I know it sounds crazy, but she was a real mermaid.
This is Logan Smith on the scene at Boston Harbor. We have reports of a mermaid sighting.
Just got back from whale watch in Boston Harbor, and we saw mermaids jumping out of the water.
Mermaids being washed ashore by global warming? You bet. Sightings after sightings are happening. And this is no Shutter Island. This is the real thing.
So I was on a harbor cruise last night, and we saw a mermaid. I thought I was seeing things. I thought I was crazy, but 50 other people saw it too.
I'm Richard Cusimano, Mayan archaeologist. Hey, look there. It's a Mayan depiction of a mermaid.
Ocean's way too wide and the day's too slow.
Good afternoon. This is Logan Smith at Newburyport Beach on the site of a beach closing secondary to a mermaid sighting. Apparently, Hurricane Bill has driven in some mermaids.
Yeah, I was looking at the waves. I saw something that looked like a whale or a porpoise or something.
Yeah, a lot of that. Wow.
Mermaids on the beach.
Whoa.
I can't believe. Oh,
How did you get here?
beautiful princess of the sea, covered in shells, and look at her hair, and my gosh, the poet's dream come true.
I live in a sea palace, the underwater dimension. My sea palace is made of seashells, gems, stone, marble, and my servants are the underwater creatures. When I was 15, I rose to the surface like a light, as light as a bubble. And there, I sat on the rocks, watching the ships passing by looking for sunken treasure, and watched people rejoice on land like I'd never seen dance before.
Wow! You are a real mermaid. I own a pool company. I would like you to be there. You'll have fun. I would like to have you in my pool.
Ocean's way too wide and the day's too slow.
Mermaids. 3 of them. Who wouldn't want to see 3 mermaids? You like your own reality TV show. Huh? And you could be a household name. Rich, famous, money just rolling in. Everybody knows it. What do you think?
Well, I don't want to be a famous mermaid. I'm Quintessa, a sea creature of the deep ocean. I just want to be
How about you? Would you like to be a reality TV star? Your own show? I want to swim. Swim on the reality TV show?
Oh no, look! Border Patrol. He's coming here looking for illegal aliens. Oh, these are illegal aliens. They're gonna get in trouble. Look at look.
I'm not sure to have passports. You gotta take care of these mermaids.
So you think they could just float over here and entice anybody who comes along, eh? Luring passing sailors with your siren song. Well, I, for one, will stop my ears to your fantasy. We don't want your kind around here. Corrupting the morals and minds of God-fearing Americans. Look at those people standing out there on the dock just waiting to take the oath of loyalty to this land for which I stand. I hereby arrest you, wetbacks.
Oh no! Oh no! Stop it! Stop it!
Oh no! I'm apprehended by my own citizens.
The mermaids are getting away. They're going back into the ocean.
Channel 13, Logan Smith reporting. I'm at Newburyport Beach where we have a sighting of a mermaid. Is that right, Mick?
I swear to God, I saw it out here. I was looking. I'm not doing
What were the mermaids brought in by Hurricane Bill. Channel 13 reports, you decide.
One of the mermaids is washed back up on shore.
I'm going to take this mermaid home. But how will I get her back to Boston? I've got an idea. I'll bring her back in that ice cream truck. I just brought home a mermaid. I brought her home in an ice cream truck.
Oh my God. Wait. She's not moving. Is she alive? Oh, she's cold. In fact, she's frozen stiff. I mean, what are we gonna do with a mermaid popsicle?
Wait till my roommate finds out I'm bringing the mermaid home with me tonight.
What the hell were you thinking? Are you out of your mucking fine?
It's a mermaid. How many chances I get to bring a mermaid home?
Oh.
We can keep her in a bathtub.
Bathtub? What bathtub? We have a stand-up shower, Mick.
Oh, that's right. Jeez. Oh, keep her in the pool behind the apartment.
We drained the pool last week, remember?
Oh, well. Wait a minute. This got me something. Oh, Joe, our friend, he works at New England Aquarium. We can bring her down. We can keep her in the fish tank for a few days.
That sounds like a crazy idea to me.
This is the mermaid. Yeah, I brought her back from the shore. We're going to take her to the aquarium.
The mermaid looks for a place to stay.
I'm not going in that freezing water with those penguins. Crystal Palace in Atlantis. I'm looking for a place to stay. Can I come give you guys a visit tonight?
He's going to let me keep the mermaid in the fish tank overnight. We're all set now. You can stay in that fish tank tonight.
You're not putting me in the tank with that shark.
Let's go down the river and figure out what to do next.
Nothing wrong with getting wet down by the river.
Here at the Charles River in Massachusetts, where we have reports of mermaid sighting, there are now thousands of people gathering on the banks of the river to see this supposed mermaid. Thanks to Twitter, thanks to the internet, we've now attracted 1,000 people here to Cambridge, Massachusetts for this mermaid sighting.
Look, there's a mermaid.
There's a mermaid.
I know people on the North Shore said they saw a mermaid. But I've been looking for one for hours. And I just don't see a mermaid.
Has anyone seen the mermaid? She was just here a minute ago.
She was kidnapped by a restaurant owner in a black suit.
There she is. She's being held captive at that restaurant.
Good evening, folks. Welcome to the Blue Mermaid Restaurant. We hope you enjoy your dining experience this evening.
Oh my God, look at that mermaid.
Oh my God, how could she breathe out here on land? I can't believe it. They have a real mermaid here? How authentic can you get?
This is Logan Smith once again, Channel 13 News. We're here at the Blue Mermaid Restaurant where, guess what? There's an actual mermaid.
Well, it certainly looks like a mermaid as a marine biologist.
Good evening, folks. Welcome to the first evening here at the Blue Mermaid. We have, for your dining pleasure, we have a lovely mermaid that's just come into our collection here.
no such thing. How is it a trick? That has to be, there's no such thing as a mermaid there. That has to be some kind of costume or, I just can't believe it. Perhaps somebody has tampered in God's domain.
I definitely think this is subject-worthy material. I'm gonna write a story about mermaids.
You know, after this, I feel like chicken tonight. These people have fallen to doom at your feet. I brought you here to entertain them, not kill them.
Oh,
no. What are you doing here?
That's our mermaid.
No,
Hey,
she's
it's
my
our
mermaid. She's my little mermaid. No.
You stay out of this. This is our mermaid.
You slime ball.
Hey, I'll call security on you. She's my mermaid.
Let's get her out of here. Come on.
Unchain this woman, this mermaid. Glad we found
Let's get her out of this
Mick.
place.
My God. Oh.
Thank goodness we got her out of here.
Oh. That was close. Oh.
Let's get out of this place.
Boy,
I can't believe that guy.
We found her.
Let's take her back home.
Yeah. Where it's nice and safe.
I want to go back to the ocean.
You want to what?
I'd like to go back to the ocean.
You want to go back to the ocean?
This is my domain. Do you like the ocean?
This is great, but just one problem. I don't know how much longer I can hold my breath.
This is Mick Cusimano, professor of surrealism.
This movie is called Queen Day.
Every April 2nd is Queen Day in England.
On April 2nd, every woman in England must be treated like a queen.
You think you're a bloody queen?
Why can't I have a dream? I want a crown. Where's my carrot? Treat me like a queen.
If you're the queen, where's my pension?
I'm not a queen, I'm a chicken.
Chicken? That's the queen's favorite dish.
I believe in genies. I do.
So boring. Wish something would happen. Something, anything. Even something stupid.
Yeah, I just want some excitement. I want something to happen that is gonna. Hey.
Who's that? Whoa.
Hang on.
Whoa! I
the genie of the bottle. I may grant you one wish of anything your little heart desires.
Really? I want something exciting to happen. That is safe, enlivening, and challenging.
Something exciting, alive, challenging. Your wish is my command.
Yeah, I do don't believe in genies. Genies.
I may grant you one wish of anything your little heart desires.
Well, I always kind of wanted a solar-powered limousine.
Solar-powered limousine. Your wish is my command.
I want that fucking John. I want John to disappear, and they give it to me. I'm gonna make it.
Get a job.
Whoa! Hey, where's my job? I'm supposed to have a job. What kind of genie are you? I want my job.
So, Genie, when are my wishes gonna come? Or when is my ultimate wish coming?
Yeah, what's going on with this anyway?
I'm talking to you.
Where's my wish?
You see, you got nothing to say?
Where's my dream?
Oi, I'm talking. Genie, when is my wish coming? I want to know. I think you are bullshit.
I certainly don't believe in genies.
I believe in genies. Every time.
All those places of interest.
I think so. I think they would be interested.
They would.
What's out? What is it?
Oh, it's
Looks
dirty.
like a bottle.
No?
Oh, God, this is gross.
Yeah, it is gross.
Holy shit.
Where did she come from?
Man, what have we been drinking?
Shabam. I don't know, but
What
we
is
should get
it?
some more.
Is it not?
I think she came out of that bottle and you
It looked
loved
like-
it, and you know what usually that means.
I love. Oh my God.
She was in a web.
That is awesome.
Maybe she looks like a genie to me.
I am Phoebe, the wise and magical genie of the bottle.
Yeah.
Do you have wishes?
Oh, don't
Do we have wishes?
I would like to be a famous poet and be published.
Umbur, umbuva, skedaddle!
Oh, look, I've got my own book of poetry.
Oh,
I'm
congratulations.
published.
Oh, where'd you buy it?
Yeah, what a nice
Wait a
looking
minute, this
book.
is my own book. I'm published.
How much
you
did
see?
you buy it for? Really?
I'm famous.
Whose
Look.
book is it? Oh, who's that?
Don't you see it? It's
Is this
me,
you?
the public.
No.
That's not your
I'm-
name.
Oh, that's not your That's
You
not
don't
you.
even know me? I mean, I was your friend, and you don't even recognize me?
The bank girl.
You never told
Yeah,
us.
I remember her.
Oh my
Remember
goodness,
her?
what's wrong with you people? What's wrong
you
with
know
you?
you did poetry.
It's me. It's Debbie, but now I'm famous. Everyone should know. You should know me even better.
You make my overdraft.
That's right. I remember that.
On the weekends? I'm published, but they don't even know.
Yeah.
I don't believe in genies.
I know. Well, I'm looking to have a wish granted so I could live a filthy rich life. So I'm looking to be a filthy rich cosmetic tycoon.
A filthy rich
Filthy
cosmetic
rich. Filthy
tycoon.
rich. So I could be global, traveling on my own jet.
Well, there's something about you that's special. I don't know. I think this could work. So, let me grant you your wish. Umbur, umbuva, skedaddle!
What is going on here? You made me a baboon, now I'm in the zoo. This is the zoo, it's filthy. I mean, they just feed me bananas. Everybody's filthy and furry. This
Filthy
is
and
wrong.
furry.
You told me you'd make me a filthy rich cosmetic tycoon, and here I am, a filthy baboon.
Well, then there must have been something a little wrong with your wish.
I do believe in genies because magic is everywhere.
Genie, I want to play for a large, appreciative audience.
Our last gig only had 4 or 5 people in the audience.
So, let me grant you your wish. Bor, umbuva, skidam!
No one's applauding. I just gave... I don't get it. Wait a minute. I'm invisible. I just gave the best performance of my life, and nobody can see me. Look, Phoebe. Phoebe the genie. I just gave the best performance of my career, and no one applauded. Because I'm invisible. You made me invisible.
And I want to be on the galaxy. I want to be out there where I should have been my whole life. At the World Cup.
Okay, I will grant your wish. Bor, umbuva, skidam!
So what happened? What? You're not Beckham. You're just a bunch of kids. I'm out. This is supposed to be the World Cup. I said I wanted to be on the galaxy in the World Cup. What? How? That wasn't the World Cup.
I believe in genies. Yes. Because after reading the book, The Secret, I concentrated on the top of my tiptoes expectations, and it happened. The genie worked. Yes. I believe in genies.
What happened to the good old genies from like the old days? They
They
had
were
good
so
genies.
truthful.
Yeah.
And you got 3 wishes. You
Yeah.
were
You
given
got
3
3
wishes and
wishes.
you got them.
Yeah.
Then here we got 1 wish and it wasn't even a good wish.
Oh, it was a loser wish.
That's right.
Yeah, I want some. If I ever see a genie bottle again, I'm leaving. I'm not even gonna look at it.
Look, I think it might be an antique.
Oh,
What do you think?
forget it.
Or-
Don't even touch it. There's probably another damn genie in it. Oh, come on, don't, come on. It's dirty.
Well, she might be able to get a
Oh,
5%
come on.
deposit back at least.
That's right.
Oh, God.
What's
If they're
gonna
gonna
happen
do it
now?
now.
Oh no! Oh, here it comes.
I am the genie of the
Oh! All right.
I grant you 1 wish.
Forget it.
Come on. We've been told that.
Oh, God.
You're the genie.
We don't
Forget
need
it,
any
buddy.
more.
Out of here. We are tired of genies.
We've had
Go!
Yeah.
Go!
You're the
Get
genie.
out of here,
There
buddy.
must be 3 wishes.
Well,
Oh, yeah, right.
if you're
I
a
don't know.
genie,
He's bargaining.
Oh, forget it.
make this bottle into a gold.
Oh, come on, get it
Yeah,
out
if
of
you're,
here. Go!
if you're a
Yeah,
real
he's
genie,
doing
make this
something,
into
do
a gold
something
bar.
There we go.
He's the genie, I'm the president.
Yeah,
You
can't,
yeah.
you can't
You
turn
rock.
this thing
That's
into
right.
a gold
Also,
bar.
you notice that.
Do rock.
Oh my God!
What's that?
It's a gold
He
bar.
left it.
How could there be a gold bar there?
The genie left it. He must be a real genie. Look, it's real.
Oh my God.
That's heavy.
Heavy, here, help me. Help me. Oh my God.
Let's go.
We're rich.
We are, but
Hey!
we're trying to get more of them after that genie. Genie is back.
Come back.
Genie, come back.
No, you can stay.
Come on.
I'm sorry. Come on, please, Genie. Come on back. No, don't
I love that
leave.
gold bar.
I believe in
This is Mick Cusimano, professor of surrealism.
It's a movie called Clowns on the Left.
Clowns on the left. Clowns on the right.
Clowns wake you up in the middle of the night.
Clowns on the left. Clowns on the right. Clowns waking up in the middle of the night.
Clowns on the left, clowns on the right. Clowns wake you up in the middle of the night.
Kings kept jesters in their courts. Mocking the nobles was a jester's favorite sport. When a jester suggested a knight slept in a queen's bed, he better make the court laugh. Or it's off with his head.
Clowns on the left, clowns on the right. Clowns wake you up in the middle of the night. Clowns on the left, clowns on the right. Clowns wake you up in the middle of the night.
Mabel Norman rolls her hips. Fatty Arbuckle rolls his eyes. Fatty's getting married and Mabel is his bride. But a crook grabs a wedding cake. Keystone cops are in pursuit. They catch him in an alley gobbling the loot.
Clowns on the left, clowns on the right. Clowns wake you up in the middle of the night.
Step right up, the circus is in town. Crappy's artist tigers and a jolly old clown. The human cannonball is sticky, so he's stuffed on the barrel. He's shot through the air like a disjointed sparrow. He lands in the corner where the curtain is hung. Fortunately, it's a pile of elephant dung.
Clowns on the left, clowns on the right. Clowns wake you up in the middle of the night.
Charlie Chaplin goes strolling.
Swinging his cane.
He tips his hat, kicks a cop, and hops on a train.
Enters a party to grab a cup of tea.
The watchdog sees him and chases him up a tree.
Chaplain calls for help and kicks the dog in the rear. Clowns on the left, clowns on the right. Clowns wake you up in the middle of the night.
Clowns on the left, clowns on the right. Clowns wake you up in the middle of the night.
School bus driver in Rome drops off his bambinos.
But he's mistaken for a gangster named Johnny Stecchino.
And he steals a banana from a grocery store. Hitmen shoot at him as he runs out the door.
Clowns on the left, clowns on the right. Clowns wake you up in the middle of the night.
Clowns on the left, clowns on the right. Clowns wake you up in the middle of the night.
Clowns on the left, clowns on the right. Clowns wake you up in the middle of the night. Clowns on the left, clowns on the right. Clowns wake you up